Healing love is more than just a feeling. It's a transformative force that has the power to mend wounds and bridge divides. In this cinematic journey, we delve into the profound impact that genuine love and unwavering loyalty can have when faced with life's greatest challenges. Through moments of vulnerability and resilience, we witness how the bonds between people can inspire hope and foster recovery. This exploration invites us to consider the ways love can heal, not only individuals, but entire relationships. As the story unfolds, the enduring strength of love becomes a beacon, guiding characters through hardship and illuminating the path to redemption. At the heart of this story are its protagonists, individuals whose experiences span the spectrum from youthful optimism to mature reflection. Their emotional depth is revealed through moments of vulnerability, shaping the choices they make and the relationships they form. Each character brings a unique perspective, colored by their past and hopes for the future. As the narrative unfolds, their strengths and insecurities become central, inviting us to witness how they navigate the complexities of life. Through their journeys, we gain insight into the universal search for connection and meaning. At the outset, the characters are weighed down by personal struggles and lingering emotional scars. Each one carries memories of past disappointments, betrayals, or losses that shape their outlook on life and relationships. These wounds manifest as guarded hearts, mistrust, and a reluctance to be vulnerable. The world around them seems indifferent to their pain, amplifying feelings of isolation and uncertainty. As they navigate daily challenges, the obstacles before them appear insurmountable, casting shadows over any hope for connection. It is within this landscape of hardship that the journey of healing and love must begin. Loyalty and devotion often emerge in the quiet gestures and steadfast support that define meaningful relationships. When someone stands by us during difficult times, their unwavering presence can begin to heal old wounds. These acts of commitment signal that we are valued and understood, gradually dissolving barriers built by past disappointments. As trust grows, it creates a foundation for deeper connection and mutual respect. Over time, loyalty becomes a powerful force, nurturing hope and encouraging us to open our hearts once more. In this way, devotion not only mends emotional scars, but also inspires lasting bonds. As love quietly enters the scene, subtle changes begin to unfold. The once somber atmosphere is gradually replaced by a gentle warmth, hinting at newfound hope. Each moment of connection brings a soft glow, illuminating faces and hearts alike. Shadows recede as trust and affection grow, revealing the promise of renewal. The interplay of light and emotion mirrors the journey from despair to optimism, capturing the profound impact of love's presence. In this evolving landscape, every glance and gesture is bathed in a luminous sense of possibility. As the scene unfolds, gentle rays of morning sunlight mingle with the tranquil hues of evening, creating a tapestry of warmth and serenity. This interplay of light and shadow mirrors the emotional journey that has taken place, a passage from deep pain toward the promise of healing. The environment feels both tender and hopeful, inviting reflection on moments of vulnerability and resilience. In this space, the weight of sorrow gradually lifts, replaced by a sense of renewal and peace. The transition from darkness to light becomes a powerful symbol, capturing the heart of transformation and the quiet strength found in embracing change. As we reflect on the journey, it becomes clear that healing love and unwavering loyalty hold remarkable power. These qualities can mend wounds, bridge divides, and guide us through even the most difficult moments. When we embrace compassion and stand by those we care about, we discover strength we never knew we had. Life's challenges may be daunting, but with love and loyalty as our foundation, hope and resilience flourish. Let this message inspire you to nurture these virtues, knowing that together, we can overcome anything that comes our way.